Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, we are going to see all in their rank 9 UPSC 2024 Aditya Vikram Agarwal's answer copy. So let's first try to understand the question, then we will see the answer. Examine the key features of carbon credit trading scheme. Analyze the its potential for mitigating greenhouse gas emissions in India. So it's a 10-marker question and they have asked two major components in the question. So overall, if you look at a 10-marker question, we know it should be written in 2 pages. And this particular question is pertaining to GS paper 3 component of environmental segment. Okay, let's look at the answer, how this topper has addressed it. There is a proper structure in the answer writing. This is what most of the toppers will be having. That is, in the initial answer, there should be a proper introduction. And this has been written in 3.5 lines. And the conclusion also, this topper has written in 3.5 lines. And there is a proper body of the answer followed by introduction. So introduction, body and conclusion is one of the important things we should have in the structure of the answer writing. And if you look at the introduction itself, this topper has used the data, and that too, that data is pertaining to United Nations data. This is going to add authenticity and more value addition for this topper. So this topper will be easily getting for the introduction 1 mark. And if you look at the conclusion also, this topper is talking about that is the environmental based protocols. So and as well as the targets. So these are something which will again add value to the answer. So this topper will be easily getting for the introduction and conclusion 1 mark each. And if you look at the body of the answer, first component, they are asking about the key features. That's the first subheading this topper has used. And if you look at the second subheading, they are asking us to analyze the potential. This topper has broken the second component into potential as well as the challenges. Since this question is asking us to analyze, this topper has done that in a proper manner. That is talking about both the pros and cons whenever we are writing an analysis based answer. That is what this topper has done. For the second component, this topper has made it into two subheadings. So overall, if you look at the body of the answer, this topper has, for the first subheading, this topper has almost written 5 points, which this topper will be getting 2.5 marks. And for the second subheading, another 2 marks for writing 4 points. And if you look at the third subheading, another 1.5 mark for writing 3 points. So overall, if you look at the another attractive components in the body of the answer, there is a proper usage of diagram. This is going to be very attractive and eye-catchy for the examiner to give additional half a mark. So overall, if you look at this particular answer rating of environmental component, this Aditya Vikram Agarwal would be getting for introduction, conclusion 1, that is 2 mark. Body of the answer, first component 2.5, second 2.5, 4.5, third component 1.5. So 6 marks for the body of the answer. And for the introduction, conclusion, another 1 mark, 8 marks. And for the value addition, another half mark. So this topper will be getting 8.5 mark for 10 marks. That is why if you see in the real examination output also, this topper in real mains examination has also got 850 marks, even more than All India Rank 1 Sakti Dubey. The key learnings what we can learn from All India Rank 9, that is Aditya Vikram Agarwal, is that whenever we are writing introduction, we should not use always definitional or conventional approach. We should try to bring in current affairs or data-based approach also. Conclusion, we should use government schemes. Body of the answer is concerned, we should bring creative diagrams for environmental questions also. And whenever we are writing 10 points, we should try to contribute maximum points. If you look at this topper, for the first component 5, second subheading 4, 9, third subheading 3. So for a 10 marker question only, this topper has written 12 points. This is more than sufficient to fetch. There is a maximum of 8.5 marks for this question. And if you look at the mark sheet also of GS paper 3, this topper has got out of 250, 111 marks. So some of the important learnings from today's answer writing technique is that whenever we are writing answer writing technique, there should be proper structure, that is introduction, body, and then conclusion. As far as introduction and conclusion is concerned, it should be written in 3 to 3.5 lines. Body of the answer in subheading come point wise, and there should be usage of diagrams even for environmental questions, and data should be quoted authentically from government or UN data. So these are some of the important learnings from All India Rank 9 Aditya Vikram Agarwal, which we should incorporate in our answers to fetch maximum marks. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you, students.